Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about MOODENG Coin. And yes, it's making serious moves right now. The coin, ticker symbol MOODENG, is up about 67% just today. But the big question is, should you buy now or wait for a better entry? Stick around, because I'll share the exact price zones I'm watching and how you can take profits smartly without getting caught in a pump and dump. Now, we've been tracking MOODENG Coin's price action, and the last few days have been showing strong bullish momentum. After a long downtrend, we're finally seeing a breakout. Buyers are stepping in hard, and the candles on the daily chart are proof of that. But here's the thing. You don't want to FOMO in at the top. Instead, wait for a pullback. I'm watching two key zones. First, the 14-cent region. This has acted as both support and resistance in the past, so if the price dips there, we could see a bounce. Second, the 11-cent area, another solid support zone. If it drops that far, that could be your golden entry. But don't just jump in blindly. Look for signs of reversal at these levels. Wait for confirmation. If we get a clean bounce from either zone, here are your potential gains. Around 26% to the first target, 53% to the next one. And if momentum continues, up to 96% gains without using leverage. Now imagine using 10x or even 20x leverage. You could multiply those gains fast. Of course, leverage comes with risk, so trade smart. This is exactly what we do in our VIP Telegram group, where we give real-time buy alerts, take profit zones, and stop-loss guidance. Members are seeing gains like 800%, SICK, 1100%. Even 1,200% on coins like DX Coin, Wild Coin, and AK Coin. That's it for today's quick update on MOODENG Coin. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe for more updates, and let us know in the comments. Are you bullish on MOODENG? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.